Engineers Day, 15th September. 15th September every year since 1968 is celebrated as the Engineers Day in India to recognize the contribution of engineers in the development of the nation. The day commemorates the birth anniversary of the greatest Indian engineer, Bharat Ratna Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya were born on 15 September 1861 in Muddenahalli near Chikkabalapur, Karnataka. Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, who was fondly called Sir MV, was literally the builder of India, the builder of dams and water systems, to be precise, which not only boosted irrigation facilities but also saved a large number of people from floods. He was an engineering pioneer of India whose genius reflected in harnessing of water resources and building and consolidation of dams across the country. He went on to become India's most prolific civil engineer, dam builder, economist, statesman, and can be counted among the last century's foremost nation builders. Visvesvaraya completed his graduation in Bachelor of Arts from the University of Madras, and after topping the Pune College of Engineering, he was directly recruited by Government of Bombay and appointed as Assistant Engineer in the Public Works Department. When Visvesvaraya was the Diwan of Mysore from 1912 to 1918, he transformed the state into what was then known as a model state. For his numerous industrial, economic and social projects, he was called Father of Modern Mysore. Visvesvaraya was also the chief engineer responsible for the construction of the Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Mysore, the biggest in Asia at that time. In 1909, when the city of Hyderabad was in danger of getting flooded, Visvesvaraya was appointed as special consultant engineer to make the city flood-proof. His inventive engineering work saved the Visakhapatnam port from the sea erosion. Visvesvaraya is credited with inventing the block system, automated doors that close the water overflows. He designed and patented the floodgates which were first installed at the Khadakwasla Reservoir in Pune in 1903. Visvesvaraya established Government Engineering College in 1917 in Bengaluru, which was later named University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering in his honor. Even before receiving a fellowship by the Institute of Science, Bangalore, Visvesvaraya became a member of London Institute of Civil Engineers. Due to his outstanding contribution to the building of India, the government conferred Bharat Ratna on him in 1955. He was also awarded the British knighthood by King George V, which put the honorific Sir before his name. He was called the precursor of economic planning in India. The eminent engineer passed away in 1962.